Let's go! He said, hell no.
Oh, wow. Yo, that was...
Y'all know when he's on that 150 doing that hang swag, it looks like little T-Rex arms going back and forth. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Let's go! We out here, bro. How you doing?
You alright?
They're good, bro.
I'm trying to get you on some merch, bro. Oh, there's dirt falling out of it, bro.
Yeah, bro. I take the off-roading, bro.
That was you!
With street tire. That was me, bro.
Really? Yo, look at the front. Alright, so let's get started, bro. You know what I mean? Last ride on a 150R, guys.
Alright, gang, we out.
Damn.
Hey, cut. Y'all didn't see that, bro. Cut. Hey, when you're out here, has like a homeless guy came out here and he started f***ing you guys? Yeah, his name's like Tom or something.
I don't know, he's racist as shit, though.
Bruh. Dude. I was talking to him, I was trying to be nice to him and and then he said like, yo, these damn end people out here, and I'm like, bro, like what the hell is your problem and then I was like, I couldn't talk to him no more after that. I was like, he lives back there. His name's Tom, bro.
His name Tom?
I think.
It's your boy Braap, aka Braap. Let him know, bro. It's your boy Live,
aka MotoBroo. See, that thing sound good. Oh my god, that car sounds crazy. Let's see it. Braap out here. Okay. Oh, yo, he losing his swag, bro. He's doing all these bike giveaways. He's getting all comfy. Get out here, bro. Hey, what year is that one?
2021.
That's a 2021? Damn, bro. When you did that like rev limiter, like going back, insane.
I love it.
Insane. Yeah. So he's doing a raffle giveaway if y'all are interested. You be swerving that hoe. Don't worry, bro, I won't get in your way. So the person we're talking about, Tom, I think that's his name. He like lives, he's a homeless person. He lives in the forest somewhere over there. And he's racist, and I was trying to talk to him and be like, yo, like, I'm gonna tell the riders to sort of calm down, because he was mad that they're riding in the grass over there. But then he just started saying this racist things about everyone who was here. So I was like, alright, screw you, bro, like, you know? Let's go. I didn't know you could freaking shred a dirt bike like that.
He can't.
He can't. He's like, I can't.
It's his birthday, bro.
Oh, bro, happy birthday, my dude.
Yeah, bro. Take a fucking...
Oh!
Giveaway bike, bro. You made me nervous with that one. Show your old girl, hey. Do that.
Shoo, look at how we're coming in. Sorry, officer, I don't panic. Woo. Oh, bro, you gotta be like, dude. The homie Nick out here, it's his birthday. Shout out, homie. Yes, sir. Woo. Flex that on him. Yes, sir. Bro, homie's getting way better. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Bro, that is Homie got the super sport rims, you know. I just made that up. The nice super sport rims, fire.
The super sports looking real fucking icy. Looking real sporty. Looking real
Sport. He said, hell no.
Oh, wow. Yo, that was...
Wow, that was
smooth. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, hey, he done that before.
Yo, y'all probation. He had to do that before.
That was way too smooth. He's done that many times. Yo, could I hop on it for a second?
Right, bro, yo, don't watch it, bro. That shit's a turbo 600 Busa. Yeah, it's crazy. It has a double shot of force.
I got that.
Double shot of dick. They got a double shot of dick.
Is it kickstart or this way?
Kickstart?
Yeah.
Oh hell no!
I ain't a quad rider. I might. I'm just kidding. Hey, fuck you! Fuck you, Braap! I know how to ride! Bro, this actually, dude, I don't know what this is. Bro, he has the whole thing right here. Alright, this is a 4-stroke, 449cc, dry sump. Screw it. That's you! Turn off on me, bro. That's what you do! Quick. Hey!
That was pretty bad.
Y'all know when y'all see on Instagram, this is Braap.
Oh.
Hey! Okay, that was nice. Oh, dude! I lost my keys, bro. Hey, but y'all know when he's on that 150 doing that hang swag, it looks like little T-Rex arms going back and forth. I found them, mother.
Were you going from the back or the front? Cinematic or regular?
What you talking about? Back of the front.
You know what I'm talking about.
Freak.
Yeah, I know what y'all talking about. You know, y'all like that shit from the back. The way Braap hopped behind you, bro, I know y'all be doing some. Y'all doing some.
Yo, I saw your face.
Sheesh. Oh God. Bro. Swagging on that quad. It's good, bro. Hey, we out here. Alright, bro, we're gonna try to go for a nice long no-hander. I'm gonna put this bit in 4th gear. Ah! The damn bar move, bro. We're just flowing. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Everyone looked up when I said that.
You know what, bro? I hate it here. You need a CRS 4000. If you don't have that, I'm not watching videos anymore. F4000.
Remember, stay motivated. We have merch in the description. Braap has his raffle winner, and I'm gonna sign up for it. So if I win,
if you win,
it's rigged.
it's not rigged.
No, I'm playing. But I love you, gang. Remember, stay motivated. Until next time, peace.